What does Stonewater mean to me? Stonewater means everything to me. To what it's done for me as a person, it's helped me grow and know more about people, our community, questions and concerns. But the most important thing to me that Stonewater represents is our culture, our diversity within our culture, and how that everybody comes from different backgrounds, but every single day that we come unite for a common goal, which is a genuine caring for each and every client that we have. And not only the construction side, but the community as well, whether it's giving back to the schools, backing the Blue, but all in all, just making our footprint in our community known that it's so much more than construction.
Stonewater means to me is that, you can start out in a not so favorable position with not all the opportunity and not all the optimism, and you can work hard, transition, overcome, and help build something great, be a part of something great.
My name is Roland Brown. I'm the CEO and founder of Stonewater Roofing. We want you to grow with us. We are now hiring in Tyler, Longview, DFW.
Opportunity plus ambition equals success.
So apply now and join our Stonewater family. We now offer healthcare benefits, 401k. Unlike other competitors, these benefits apply to all positions: sales, project management, invoicing, and marketing.